What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about how to farm and stake on baby doge swaps. So, definitely stick around to the end of the video. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let's get straight to it. So, we're going to talk about how to farm and stake on baby doge swap. This is my farming and staking right now that I have going on. 6.5 million has already been earned on my total tokens earned, and actually I've only been staking for about I would say an hour. So this is how much you would get in like an hour. So I think this is it's a pretty good strategy here, and it's 185% APR. But we're just gonna get right into it. I already did some, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more on here. So let's do this now. So the first step you would want to do is buy your BNB. You can buy your BNB anywhere. Me personally, I bought it on crypto.com and then I sent it over to my Trust Wallet. You can connect your Trust Wallet or any other thing you want to connect here through Wallet Connect. You just scan the QR code. Really easy. But let's do this now. So first, you're going to buy that BNB. After you buy that BNB, you're going to want to go over to PancakeSwap. So when you go over to PancakeSwap, you're going to have to do two different things on PancakeSwap. It's not just like buying Baby Doge and all that. So first thing you want to do is buy Baby Doge, obviously. And then you want to buy a wrapped BNB. You want to swap your Binance Smart Chain to your wrapped BNB. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Also, remember, there's something you want to remember when you're doing this. You want 50% of the money that you're going to put on the farm in wrapped BNB and the other 50% in baby doge, because it's going to need both of those different pairs. So you're going to need 50% BNB, which is going to be wrapped BNB, and then 50% baby doge. So let's do that now. So this is the 50% of the wrapped BNB that I'm doing down here. So make sure you have enough BNB smart chain on hand. You don't want to get rid of all your BNB smart chain because you got to pay those gas fees. Now let's keep going. Now that we have the wrapped BNB, the next thing that you want to do is connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. And by that, all you got to do is click over here and then you connect it. And it's actually really easy. I'll disconnect my wallet right here just so that I can show you that process. You just click here, click more, click Trust Wallet, and boom. If you haven't connected your Trust Wallet, all you would do is go over here and then you would go to your QR code scanner. So now that we've already connected it, it's actually pretty easy from this point on. And remember, if you're using your Trust Wallet from your phone, you have to have your Trust Wallet app open whenever you're doing this. Now, if you're just doing it directly through MetaMask on your computer, then you don't have to have that open. You just leave your MetaMask open on the computer. You don't have to have the phone open. But if you're doing a scanning the QR code to connect your wallet, you have to have that app open. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. So over here, you just go over here to get choose whatever kind of farming one you are doing. And the one I'm doing here is for BNB Baby Doge. So that's why you had to get wrapped BNB to Baby Doge. This is the one most people probably want to get, but it has the most APR. So I clicked this one. But anyways, you just go ahead and click deposit. And then what you want to do, you can't click max here. So what you got to do is click get BNB slash Baby Doge pair. That's why you needed both. And then what you want to do here is max out the one that you had the least on, because remember, they have to be equal. So you can't put one that has more and then max it out because it won't work. I have more Baby Doge than I do WBNB, so it won't work. Insufficient funds. So you would just have to max out whichever one has more in there, because then it'll also max it out for there. So I go ahead and click max out, and then over here I click supply. So then from supply, I just confirm supply, wait for that confirmation, and then now you see on there on the phone here, now we have to approve it here. So we go ahead and we approve that. And then boom, right there, we have now approved it. You can add it to MetaMask, but me personally, I'm not going to add it to MetaMask. I like having everything on my Trust Wallet. So now that we've got that out of the way, I like to just click back here, go over to farming. Now go and click on the farm now. It's not too hard. It's that easy. And now, boom, you have all your pairs in here. All you would have to do now is click the max and deposit. Because remember, when we did this, it gives you the pair of BNB, of wrapped BNB Baby Doge. But you have to still deposit. Do not forget to do this part. This part's actually important. You got to max it out here now and confirm after you do that, after you get this pair. So now confirm it, confirm the maxed out. And now you can see on the phone, it's now telling me to confirm this. And now I got to reconfirm it because I just not clicked off of it. But yeah, you have to go ahead and confirm it. And then boom, is just as easy as that. And yeah, and now we have all of our Baby Doge in here. You can see before it was at 0.9797 of the pair in there, the BNB Baby Doge pair. And now we're just waiting for this confirmation. And now, boom, now we have 2.0267 inside of our pair. So now we just really got to wait for our tokens earned. And if you just want it to pop up immediately, you can just, and since we already got all those, you see there's no longer anything there. We can just go ahead and click the refresh here. So you just click your refresh button and see this popping back up. Wait for your tokens earned to pop back up. And now there it is. So it's really that easy. And sometimes it might take a little longer for everything to pop up. But yeah, it's not too hard. And if you want to withdraw it, you just click withdraw. You can withdraw your max amount and then go ahead and confirm right there. If you want to go ahead and withdraw that and confirm it, and then boom, that would be all you would do to unstake it. Now, if you want to harvest, you just click harvest and it'll pop it up on your phone. And it's probably best not to harvest it until it gets past like $5 or $10 because it says $1.10 inside of gas fees right now. So you definitely don't want to not have enough gas fees there. But yeah, you don't want to, you don't want to come up negative on it. But anyways, it's as easy as that. If you want to withdraw it, it's as easy as that. You just withdraw, and we got all of our rewards there. So yeah, that's pretty much all you would do, and it's the same process for all these. Except if you're gonna do the one down here for USDT BUSD, you want to make sure that you deposit USDT BUSD. So yeah, you don't want to have Baby Doge and the other one and BNB in there. So yeah, it's pretty much that easy. Let me know what you all think of this, and if you need help with anything else, definitely let me know in the comments. And as always, I'll be back with another video.